Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we are checking out the seat covers in the 2014 Toyota Highlander. This is the 3-row model, so we did the seat covers for the front, the rear, and the 3rd row back there, all blacked out in the genuine leather style seat covers, black for the insert, black for the trim. Totally transformed the interior. It was a old gray looking style seat cover or seat in here, and now we got the all black leather, just looking really cool. Let's check them out. Now let's check out the fabrics that we use inside here. Again, this is the black genuine leather for the insert and the black premium vinyl for the trim. Just a really good looking set here, guys. Blacked out, again, full black, and black stitching was used as well. So black, black, black on all this. This is the driver backrest again, and this, guys, has memory foam backing to it. So a really thick foam that's gonna be a lot more comfortable and just gives it a really luxurious look when it's that thick of foam backing on there. So the back and the bottom has that memory foam in it, and just, man, a really tight fit in here. Looks really nice. I have a full install video teaching you how to install all of these seat covers, so don't worry about the install. Our customer service reps, we can walk you through that. Watch my install videos, we walk you through all of that. And again, just a nice tight fit on that driver backrest. Here's the driver headrest. Really nice tight fit around this. I'm gonna pop that up a little bit just so you can see how that nice and trim, or how nice that trims out around those headrest posts. Just really, really great. That genuine leather goes all the way up. It's that perforated genuine leather, goes all the way up around that section right there as well. Again, headrest, full coverage on that. This uses J-clips. You reach that underneath and it J-clips on underneath there. Pop that off just to show you that. Look how tight that is, guys. Really nice finish on this. Now let's check out the driver bottom. Again, this is just a great fit and a great look inside here. Really transformed this seat. This old seat, the original material was all kind of beaten up over here, worn down, and that gray was showing all kinds of stains and everything. So we got this covered, looking way better now. Again, this pulled over the original upholstery. Multiple panels on this, so you can see multiple panels in the genuine leather section right here, and then multiple panels around the outside trim. There's 1, 2, and then that through 3rd section right there. Double stitched for durability there. You can see that. Again, the black stitching was used. You could do different color stitching on these. You can do different trim and insert colors as well. So hit us up if you want to change some of those up. But this one was all black, blacked out, black, black, black on it. And again, it turned out really nice. Now this has memory foam backing on it underneath, so that you're sitting on that extra memory foam. It's pretty thick memory foam underneath there. So it just makes it for way more comfortable as you're sitting on there. And that perforated material is gonna breathe a little bit better as well. So just a really nice cover on this driver bottom here. Now we're on the back side of the seats, and they are gonna have rear mat pockets. Just a nice large pocket, trims out really nice. There's a thick material and kind of a stiff plastic on the inside of this to make that pocket really nice and stiff right there. So it looks nice, but then it's also super functional. Drop your first aid kit inside here, drop your jacket, binoculars, gear for the outdoors, stuff that inside there. It's just gonna mimic those OEM pockets that you may have had on your seats, but that are now covered up. There's gonna be a driver and passenger side mat pocket, just like that. Now let's check out the 2nd row. This is a 60/40 2nd row with a center armrest. Right here, you can see that's still gonna be able to fold down. Gonna have your cups right here that you can still put in, your cup holders accessible, 3 headrests, 2 large outside headrests there, and then a small center headrest as well. Everything just finishes out really nice and tight on here. Again, I have that full install video. Watch that if you're gonna be installing this, so we can show you how to put that on. This has an integrated seat belt. Right here, you can see the cover tucks underneath that section right there. So the seat belt is still fully functional. If the seat belt needs to clip in to the receivers, all the receivers are still working. They have access to all of those. And then the other things are that I wanted to show you is that this is a 60/40 split seat. So that's gonna fold and function separately. So that 60 will fold independently from the 40. And same with the bottoms, is it would slide forward right here. So you can see that's a separate section. right here. That is why, guys, you have to have a true custom fit seat cover that fits your seats to the exact year, make, model to get this type of fitment. Now here's the back side of that second row 60 section. You can see full coverage back here, so if the kids in the back are getting their feet up, well, don't worry, it's gonna be easy to wipe it down now. And yes, these are seat covers. You can see the original upholstery, there's that carpet is underneath there still. All of this comes down just to protect the upholstery. That's what we focus on, is seat covers that protect your upholstery. They're gonna pull over the original seats, but fit on nice and tight, a guaranteed custom snug fit tight on your seats. Look how nice this finishes out, and this had extra material to tuck underneath right here. This part's sticking to the carpet right there for a nice good hold, but then this, that's shown a lot right here, that's all tucked underneath here. So just a really great finish. And then also there's this handle right here that finishes out really nice around that section right there. Everything's gonna still fold and function just how it should and finishes out really nice. Now let's check out the third row. This is again, the third row on the Highlander here, and it's a 60-40 seat. Again, you can see that's 60 backrest and 40 will fold independently. So those have separate covers. Also, all three headrests trim out really nice. These are recessed headrests where they recess down into that, and there's coverage around that section. And all of these are gonna pop in nice and tight like that right there. Okay, so you can see how those all fit on right there. There's gonna be cutouts for all the different pull handles that you have. This is a comfort seat belt clip in case if you're using that middle seat belt there. And again, things just, man, fit on really nice and tight here. Let's check out the bottoms here. The seatbelt receivers all still have their own holes there. Everything covered, looking really good, nice and tight. You can see that. Man, it just almost looks like OEM. Had a friend come over here and she looked in this. She's like, wait, when are you putting the seat covers on? I was like, actually, they're on. I just did the seat covers. She thought it was the OEM material. And yeah, so just a really nice fit back here. Again, gonna protect the seats underneath for the kids that are back here, or if the dogs are jumping back here. Gonna keep the seats nice and clean underneath and look really good while you're doing it too. I have the 60 backrest folded down right now. You can see there is a cutout for this long pull tab over here. So you're still gonna have, gonna be able to use that. And then there's just full coverage on the back right there. So really nice, so especially if you have those seats down a lot for your storage, for your dogs in the back. It's gonna be nice and easy to wipe down, keep looking clean. And just a great fit on here, guys. Again, this was all blacked out. Now, one thing you might consider is doing like a light gray leather inside here. That would be really cool. Or a light gray two-tone with the black, and maybe throw in like a light gray stitch. That'd be really cool. That would have matched really well with this vehicle, but black matches everything, so easy to go black. But the light gray leather would have looked really nice in here too. So, but this third row looked really nice. Again, everything, all the headrests finished out great, and cutouts for everything that we needed, and a full install video to show you how to get these on. Man, just transformed the interior of this Highlander. Just really took it from boring gray cloth seats to a really cool black leather interior. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, like this Toyota Highlander, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to go check out Covers Camo. Again, we look forward to building you an awesome looking set. Go check us out, coversandcamo.com.